What's good? So today I'm actually just gonna do a quick brush session. So right now I'm a month in for my scalp. You guys will see, if you're following me on Instagram, you'll see some of the progress, right? I kind of give y'all a couple weeks updates. Today I'm actually doing a brush session, but today's brush session is actually to recoup from a couple days of not brushing. Hopefully you never slack off and you keep your brushing up, but if you do, you know, you can kind of follow some of this method here. So I'm gonna show you some of what's going on. Let's look at it here. So you can see what I got going on. So this is my weak side by far. All right, that's my weak side. You can see I got a lot of ripples going all the way to the crown, like on the side here. A lot of ripples going on. The back. Now, just by looking at it, you can see it's not really as neat as it could be, right? Meaning as laid down as it could be. And that's because, like I said, I haven't been brushing for a few days. So this is just a way to recover from that. Now, one thing, if y'all been following me from before, you'll notice that my crown is really visible now versus before. The reason is, before, I actually kind of moved my crown over a little bit to be a little bit more centered. And so for that reason, I was able to close it up a lot more. But being that it's my natural crown, it kind of stays open a little more. And also because of the brushing techniques I've been doing so far as I'm building, which for the most part, it's organized. But there's some areas like on the side right here that, because I'm trying to shift how I brush that, I'm kind of doing a lot of weird stuff to kind of see if I can move that around a little bit. All right, so I'm also using Pomade, which is this 360 style pomade right here. This is really good for helping you build your waves. Some of the highlights on here is it got firm hold, it's non-greasy, there's no buildup, and it rinses out easily with water. So those are some things that's why I really like this for building waves, because when you're starting out, you're gonna be using a lot more pomade to kind of hold your hair down, to kind of train it, and you don't want that kind of buildup in your hair over a couple days. But you also want really strong hold, all right? So for instance, the strongest hold pomade that I've used is this, right? Murray's. The thing with Murray's is, yes, it has really strong hold, but it also has buildup. And it doesn't necessarily wash out that easily with water, which there's a need for that at a certain point when you're further on in the process of training your hair. You want something that'll kind of hold up against water a little bit more, because now you got more hair. You're just trying to get it to hold, to stay in place. You're sweating, and you don't want the sweat to kind of just wash out your pomade. So you want something to hold the pomade a little bit more. You want something that'll hold your hair a little bit more, and so you'll use something like this. But starting out, the best thing for you to use is something like a 360, because it still has really good hold, but washes out easily. All right, and it doesn't have that buildup because you're gonna be doing a lot of brushing at this time. All right, cool. Now with 360 style, it says it, and I'll read it verbatim from the thing here. It says, dampen hair with a hot towel, and then rub the pomade in the palm of your hands until it softens, and then rub it thoroughly through hair, brush into your desired style, and then you can put a stocking cap on. All right, so that's, it's the typical stuff, but it's really important to follow the instructions on these things, because it actually helps you to get the progress that you're looking for. The product could work more efficiently if you're using it the way that they recommend that you use it versus any other way. So most of us, I know, will just like my hair is dry right now, we'll put this in there and then keep going. You're not going to get the best results. It can still work, but you're not going to get the best results if you're doing it like that. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and get a hot towel. All right, so now I'm going to use my 360 style. That's about enough. Don't really need to use more than this right here. So go ahead and rub it in the palm. And a good tip, whenever you're doing your brush sessions, I always recommend start on the weak side first. Do that first. You always end up doing more work on that side than anywhere else. So you see, I put all that pomade that was in this hand, like on this side right here, and then this I kind of just, you know. Alright y'all, so it's been a couple hours after the brush session, and I just kind of want to show you the results of the brush session. Alright, you saw what it looked like before. I'm going to show you what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so grab my mirror again. So you see it's a lot more laid down than it was when I first started. And you can see there's a lot of waves that's forming all the way up to here. Wow, this side actually looks pretty perfect. Alright, but then you see there's a lot of stuff going on right here. And on this side. So this is by far my weak side. Alright, as y'all can tell. So I'm gonna be putting a lot of work on this side right here. Alright? Be doing a lot of work on this side. But yeah, so that's what it kind of looks like. I'm actually gonna do another session now since I unragged. And the thing too is once you're in a routine, every time that you unrag, you wanna get a brush session in, and then before you rag back up if you can. Even if it's for 5-10 minutes, just get a session in quick fast, and then you can rag up as much as you can. Alright? The more you brush, the faster you're gonna see results, because these results that you're seeing right now is after 4 weeks. So today, hold on. So today I want to show y'all. Y'all see the date right there? It's the 19th. This is April 19th. Okay. Just so y'all can see. All right. Today's April 19th, so it's literally a month after I initially scalped. Alright, so y'all can do it. It's no excuses, man. Just get the brush sessions in as much as you can, and you'll see fast results. Alright, I'm gonna put some more work in right here. I'm probably not even gonna touch that other side. Like on this side, yeah, I'm probably not even gonna touch this side. but from back here all the way around, I'm gonna work on that. When you're done, it's really good to hit it with like a water bottle. It's really good to hit it with the water bottle before you rag up, because it'll help your hair lay down a lot more. So that's a pro tip right there for y'all. This is a mist sprayer. I actually like this a little bit better for this particular technique. But if you, like I said, if you have one of these sprayers, it's fine just the same. As long as you have a spray bottle with water, it's great. And I actually have another pro tip for these spray bottles, and kind of a solution that you could use that is actually really good for your hair. But I'll give y'all that update later. All right. But in the meantime, you hit it with the spray bottle, and then you just rag up. And this time I'm leaving my cape up. All right, so really that's it, y'all. All right, till next time, I'll see y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. If there's anything you want me to cover in my future videos, y'all go ahead and leave that in the comment section below. Till then, it's your boy Architect, man. See y'all later.